Nexus AI Growth by Digimarkin.
Digimarkin is an AI-native digital growth agency based in Hyderabad. With over 11 years of experience, we have transitioned from traditional marketing to building the Nexus AI Ecosystem, a suite of autonomous tools designed to give businesses an unfair advantage. We don't just provide services, we build intelligent systems. Our mission is to eliminate human latency and manual guesswork, replacing them with predictive intelligence and autonomous execution. Whether you are a local startup or a global enterprise, we provide the technical architecture to help you own your market.
Our core Nexus service is 1. Geo, Generative Engine Optimization. The era of 10 blue links is over. We optimize your brand to be the primary source cited by AI models like SearchGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. We ensure that when an AI summarizes your industry, your brand is the answer. 2. Autonomous ad scaling. Stop wasting 20% of your budget on slow human adjustments. Our AI engine manages your ad spend in real time, reallocating budget to high-performing segments every millisecond to maximize your ROAS, return on ad spend. 3. Conversational AI sales. Deploy 24/7 digital closers that never sleep. Our AI sales agents handle lead qualification, objection handling, and appointment scheduling across WhatsApp, web, and voice, responding to every lead in under 2 seconds. 4. Agentic web and app development. We build living software. Our websites and apps aren't just displays. They are autonomous tools that can reason, use APIs, and perform tasks for your users without manual input. 5. Viral content engines. We've turned virality into a repeatable science. Using predictive trend scouting, we identify viral signals 48 hours early and synthesize multimodal content, video, images, text, to capture massive organic attention. 6. Predictive data analytics. Stop looking at the past. Our analytics models forecast customer lifetime value (LTV) and churn risks, telling you what will happen next so you can make decisions based on future probability, not history. 7. Performance branding. We build identities engineered for algorithmic trust. We create the visual and semantic assets that make both humans and AI engines prefer your brand over the competition.
Choosing a growth partner in 2026 means more than basic marketing. It requires intelligence, speed, and innovation. At Digimarkin, powered by our Nexus AI Ecosystem and Nexus AI Growth approach, we go beyond traditional agencies with advanced AI automation. Our systems work 24/7, optimizing ads, responding to leads instantly, and predicting trends before they happen. With over 11 years of experience, we replace guesswork with data-driven precision. We don't just build websites or run SEO, we create smart, scalable systems designed for continuous growth. Partnering with Nexus AI Growth by Digimarkin means choosing innovation, performance, and future-ready growth.
Nexus AI Growth by Digimarkin. India is transforming AI faster.